Hey there, science fans! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of sensors and transducers. These little wonders are all around us, often working behind the scenes to make our lives easier and more interesting. First up, let's talk about sensors. In simple terms, a sensor is like a watchful guardian. It's a device that detects changes in the physical world around it. These changes could be anything from temperature and light to pressure and sound. Think of a thermometer. It senses changes in temperature and shows us the reading. That's a sensor in action. Another example is a motion sensor that turns on the lights when you walk by. Pretty cool, right? Sensors are like our senses, but for machines. They provide valuable information about the environment, allowing devices to react and respond accordingly. Now, let's move on to transducers. You can think of a transducer as a translator between the physical world and the electrical world. It's a device that converts one form of energy into another. Imagine talking into a microphone. The microphone converts your sound waves, which is mechanical energy, into electrical signals. These signals can then be amplified, recorded, or transmitted. That's a transducer at work. Another example is a loudspeaker, which does the opposite. It takes electrical signals and converts them back into sound waves that we can hear. Transducers are like the interpreters of the technological world, bridging the gap between physical phenomena and electrical signals. You might be wondering, how are sensors and transducers related? Well, they often work together as a team. In many cases, a sensor relies on a transducer to do its job effectively. Here's how it works. A sensor detects a change in the environment, but to be useful, this information needs to be converted into a signal that other devices can understand. That's where the transducer comes in. Let's take the example of a light sensor in your smartphone. The sensor detects the brightness of the surrounding light. This information is then converted into an electrical signal by a transducer. The phone's processor uses this signal to adjust the screen brightness automatically. So, you see, sensors and transducers often go hand in hand, with the sensor doing the detecting and the transducer doing the converting. Sensors and transducers play a crucial role in countless aspects of our lives. From the smartphones in our pockets to the cars we drive, these unsung heroes are constantly working behind the scenes. In healthcare, sensors monitor vital signs like heart rate and blood pressure, while transducers in medical imaging equipment allow doctors to see inside the human body. In manufacturing, sensors ensure quality control, and transducers power robots on assembly lines. The next time you use your smartphone, drive a car, or even just turn on a light, take a moment to appreciate the amazing world of sensors and transducers. These tiny but mighty devices make our lives safer, more efficient, and more connected than ever before. Keep exploring, keep learning, and stay curious. Keep